Welcome back to Day Trading with Susie. It's Freestyle Friday, and today we're taking our trades on a refreshing adventure by the campfire. Not only will I walk you through an incredible day trading strategy that made me over $4,500 this morning, but I'll show you exactly how I make some amazing beef fajita kebabs and chicken teriyaki kebabs. So for today's Freestyle Friday adventure, I'm going to be breaking down this winning strategy on LASE. And I'll be showing you how I prepare these delicious kebabs. It's all about relaxing and enjoying the process, but making sure we make those smart trades along the way. Sound fun? All right, let's dive into today's trades. Yesterday on October 8th, LASE made a huge move, 145% profit gain. This morning when I checked in at 5:40 a.m. my time, I noticed price had reclaimed and was holding above this $8.13 smart target level. That's a clear support level. The next smart target? Well, that's going to be yesterday's $9.65. The game plan was to look for a continuation play. As you can see, the EMAs were flat right here, right about when I first started looking at this stock, and volume was low. So that means I'm going to need to wait for a setup with volume. My plan was to find an entry as close to one of these EMAs or as close to that support level as possible. Low risk, high profit. That's what we want, right? So let's take a minute and start prepping our beef fajita kebabs. First, we're going to make this delicious seasoning mix. Now, I love this blend for camping and outdoor cooking. It's all about balance, just like day trading. Finding the perfect blend of ingredients and strategy. In trading, balancing risk and reward is like balancing flavors. You don't want to go too heavy on one ingredient or trade too aggressively without a plan. Speaking of which, I did find the perfect entry right at $8.85. My stop loss was $8.75, and I had a target of $9.65. At 6:47 a.m., volume finally poured in. Price broke that pre-market high of $8.75. That was our magic level it needed to get above. Then it pulled back to show support at that level. That's what I'm talking about when I talk about it needs to prove something. This is what I look for. And that's when I entered. A few minutes later, it hit our target twice. So we sold all 2,824 shares for a nice profit of $2,259 in just 6 minutes. So while our kebabs are sizzling away, let's talk about why this strategy works. It's all about identifying support and resistance and the right buy signal. Just like carefully seasoned kebabs, you've got to be precise with your trades and enter above the right support level, and you're setting yourself up for success. Now let's flip these beauties over and jump back into the LASE chart for another profitable trade that we took. So after hitting that $9.65 smart target, price started selling off, and it sold off for about 2 hours. It dropped below the 200 EMA all the way down to $8.13. Now that was that smart target level that was below the previous smart target. So this is where I watch for signs of a smart support bounce. At 7:42, price started to bounce multiple times, creating higher lows for the perfect setup. By 10:02 a.m., price finally broke that $8.75 level again. And at 10:32, it proved support. Remember, that's what I look for. My entry was at $8.83. My stop was at this magical $8.75 with a target of $9.65. This was basically just what I call a deja vu trade. We're trading a range that we had already traded once, and we reached our target 7 times and secured another $2,300 in profit. Not a bad day by the campfire, huh? Let's switch it up and make some chicken teriyaki kebabs. Now, while we're grilling these, remember, in trading, patience pays off. Just like taking your time with this teriyaki marinade, the longer you wait, the better it gets. So while these kebabs are cooking, I want you to think about how you can apply this momentum trading strategy into your own trades. Follow support, wait for volume, and manage your risk. And just like these kebabs, the results will be delicious. Well, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful or even just a little entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun, educational day trading content. And if you're ready to take your trading to the next level and join the top 2% of the most profitable traders in the world, head on over to my free web class at momentumstocktraders.com. That's where you'll learn trading secrets that you'll learn nowhere else. And if you use them right, you will be in the top 2% of the most profitable traders in the world. So for now, friends, happy trading and happy grilling, and I'll see you in the next video.